Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and they had, of course, the rollout of Edge 105 last week, and one of the things that happened is some users started reporting that there is an issue when their Edge browser doesn't start. So I don't have the issue here, but I pretty much understand why. It seems that that issue comes from the fact that some people are either using third-party tools to block telemetry from Microsoft Edge browser, or at some point in an old version of Edge could have enabled the option to stop the telemetry. Now, the registry key was actually deprecated in version 89, but it was still there for those that enabled that. The key was left behind. And that's what makes Edge crash now. So the two keys to remove, if you have Edge crashing since version 105, is the two keys that you see here on the screen. And I'm going to actually post these in the description below so that you know which keys. Apparently, you delete just one of the two keys and it's okay. But if you want to delete both, there's one in HKey current version and HKey current user, and HKey local machine. Now, if you have never used a tool to remove telemetry or played with the settings for opt out of telemetry, that key doesn't exist. So if your Edge 105 crashes and you don't have these keys, something else on your end is happening. So for those that have that problem, simply go to the registry. You just go to registry editor, the REGEDIT, and in here you go find those keys that you see here. So in the case of HKey local machine, in software, then you have policies, then you have Microsoft. This is where you'll see if you have it. If there's no Edge in the policies, that means you're okay. It's not a problem. But those that are affected probably will see that Microsoft, and here there's going to be a Edge folder. What you do is simply remove that folder. So you right click on the Edge folder, remove it, and it will actually fix your Edge browser that is crashing. So you have one here in HKey local machine, and the other one is, of course, an HKey current user, where you'll see the same software and policies and Microsoft, and Edge will be here. If you don't see Edge, once again, it's not that problem for you. So just remove the keys and Edge will start again. And according to Bleeping Computer, several third-party apps that prevent telemetry have created this key also. So you don't have to have played with the settings in Edge, but using some third-party tools might have created the keys here, which breaks Edge today. If you don't do anything, Microsoft Edge team did say that the fix is coming in the next stable version update next week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.